Greetings, everybody. It is indeed a pleasure having you all here with me today. Yes, indeed. And we are going to be looking at everything we need to know about the business of Forex trading. So I'd like to welcome everybody to today's session. Now, we are going to be talking about psychology of trading, which is also known as trading psychology. First question I want to ask: what is psychology? We've been hearing about psychology for a while now, but what is psychology? Psychology, based on Google, is the scientific study of the mind and behavior. The scientific study of the mind and the behavior. Now, this simply means that we have to have the right mindset. Psychology is about having the right mindset, it's about having the right attitude, and also being able to control our emotions. I repeat, psychology is having the right mindset, the right attitude, and being able to control our emotions. Very, very important. Now, the different kinds of emotions that we normally go through on a daily basis has to do with when you are happy, when you are sad, when you are angry, and of course, when you are scared. So these different emotions can easily get the better of us. Now, look at it this way. When traders' emotions are all over the place, what happens? Their trading will be all over the place. So you need to take charge. You need to take control of your emotions. Very, very important. If not, your emotions would handle you just like a puppet. Your emotions will get the better of you, and that is not the way to trade. Don't let your emotions get the better of you. Period. Don't let your emotions get the better of you. So how can you control your emotions? How can you control your emotions? You need a trading plan. There are different ways, but one major way is for you to have a trading plan. And when you have a trading plan, it's going to help out tremendously. A trading plan is going to help you to ensure that you are better organized. A trading plan is going to help you to ensure that you eradicate over trading, and then you also avoid revenge trading. I repeat, a trading plan is going to help you to become better organized. It's going to help you to eradicate over trading, and it's going to help you to be better organized based on revenge trading and so on. Then you start to see improvements in what you are doing. So trading psychology of trading is very, very important. Now, if this video was helpful, if you have any questions, feel free to comment below, or you can as well send a DM and then see what we can do for you. I want to say thank you all for tuning in. Do enjoy the rest of the day, and I remain Tolu Olatunji, financial market analyst. Thank you guys, and goodbye for now.